Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you a final student looking for a solid project opportunity plus a paid internship? Then I have got some exciting news for you from Gandhinagar. Pravahaka Solutions Pvt Ltd is offering an amazing combo of final year project plus paid internship. You will get to work hand on in fields like electronics, outreach, data analysis and even R&D if you are in coding. This opportunity is open to students from various backgrounds like B.Tech, M.Tech, B.Sc, M.Sc, especially in physics, electronic, EC and ICT. And yes, it comes with a stipend. All you need to do is send your CV to info.pravahaka@gmail.com. And if you have any doubts, contact them directly at 8160199329. Don't miss this chance to boost your skill, gain real experience, and get paid for it. Tag your friends at this video and apply now before it's too late. Like, subscribe for more internship and project up. Thank you.